Hi, I am Darian, coach at Copilot. Today I'm going to show you how to do a cat-cow. A cat-cow is really good for spinal mobility. It's really nice if you have some lower back aching or upper back tightness. This is a really good way to loosen that up. Additionally, it's great for your core muscles and it gives you a chance to recover and practice some diaphragmatic breathing, which is our big belly breathing into our ribs, which is also really great for core strength. So first thing we're gonna do is come down into a hands and knees position. You wanna make sure that in this position, your wrists are stacked right underneath your shoulder and that your knees are stacked underneath the hip here in the back. So from here, I like to start with just a neutral spine, and then you're gonna take a nice inhale, and on an exhale, tuck the chin in, start rounding the upper back, and then imagine moving one vertebrae at a time until the hips tuck under. From there, we're gonna inhale again, only now we're gonna start with the tailbone, turn the tailbone to the sky, arch the back, let the belly drop to the floor, let the chest drop to the floor, chin turns up, gazing up towards the sky. And then again, we're gonna exhale, drop the chin, starting by rounding the upper back, pressing the shoulder blades to the sky, all the way down to the tailbone, and then reverse. So once you get that movement sequencing down, matching with the breathing, if you like, you can start to speed it up. So we're always inhaling as the belly drops down, exhaling as the belly pulls up. And then again, if you want to speed that up, you can, once you get that movement down. So once you do that even a few times, you can spend some time there really breathing, recovering. You're gonna feel so great through the spine, through your torso, and it will be a really nice way to either start your workout or even end your day. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out our channel for more videos just like this one.